Manufacturing partners have one of the hardest jobs in the world. Imagine if you're asked to, it's probably like you're at home and all your kids are running around and you're trying to cook, a roast dinner for the president that's coming in. Like, that's how a manufacturer feels every day. Like, they are dealing with the most critical, time-sensitive project, but then they're getting constantly pinged by sales and marketing, by material suppliers, by a new advertising platform. These folks are stretched so thin. And so finding ways that how do you unlock that human creativity, like that potential of our manufacturing partners, I think that is where there's so much value to unlock in this ecosystem. So if you think about a manufacturing partner that's a true craftsman and that they're able to build really the impossible, how do you give them a set of digital tools, things that are really easy to use, that allows them to focus on what they do best, which is manufacturing, it's making parts. And I think Fictiv plays a big value or position in this to help them really focus on what they do well, and that we can provide a set of tools and technologies and customers that helps feed the things that they're really good at. And I think that that's a win-win. It's actually a three-way win. The customer gets better parts faster. We get to continue to build technology that removes inefficiency, removes waste. That manufacturing partner gets to keep doing what they do best, which is building products every day.